Hello, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my another video again. Today I'm unboxing and reviewing or checking the product, how it looked like. This is the product, Dream Rotating Projection Lamp. You can see this. Basically it's for kids, where you can it's a globe kind of thing. It will rotate and it will show you all the stars and the moons so this projector or projection lamp will come in three colors: black, white, and blue. I think this is the black one. Yes, this is a black one. You can see all the controls. There's A, B, C, D control, and you can also set a timer on that. So this is a new popular Cosmos star projector lamp. It can help you put the universe back home, give you a piece of the sky, changes color without need for hard to find the field rotating its base. There will be different colorful space. Find the constellation that you belong to it. It is not only give you your child universal astronomical science and enhance the capacity of good assistance hands, but also give the couple to create a romantic surprise. All right, so nice wording in there. Please read through the operating instructions manual before using instructions included. All right, let's open the box and see what it comes with. Okay, it looks like bigger globe in there. It's kind of globe, right? Okay, big globe in here. So this is what it comes with. The charging cable, I know they don't provide you the adapter. I know many people have adapter right now in their power outlet, or they already have the power adapter for the USB adapter for their phone, from their phone and everything right now. That's why they don't provide you adapter. Okay, this is what it comes with. One projection lamp, USB cable, and the instruction manual. All right, so let's see how the manual looks like. The function: colorful, yellow light, blue, green light, red light, rotating timing control. So there's a timing: A for definite time, rotary control button, B and C for color conversion, and the D for night lamp. Timing control, you can choose 5 to 95 minutes to set the time control. When the time is end, it will turn off automatically. Okay, so there is you need to put 4 batteries, 1.5 volt AAA batteries, but it's a 3 ways. You can either install the battery without the connections, or you can connect your USB to your laptop, or you can connect your USB to the power adapter, USB power adapter. So use of the instructions: when you remove the top cover, the stars and moon project into the ceiling and walls, and the closer more effective. Types: beautiful multi-function star light, bright light at night. So basically you are removing the top cover for the nighttime, and the steps for uses is you can unscrew one screw on the bottom here to remove this battery cover to insert the battery. Okay, use your own tools, so they're not going to provide any tools in there. All right, that's all. So the package include 1 star projector night light, 1 USB cable, and 1 user manual. Nothing on the All right, so we're gonna try this out. Let's open the plastic cover. Okay, and let me take this out for the cable. I'm going to connect with the cable and see how it works. Okay, so see this is a cover. Yeah, it's a simple cover. It just, yeah, there's no any clicking in there, so it will fall out anyway. So but we don't need that. Alright, so this is the button to set the timer. There's an on and off switch over here, and there's a power switch over here. Alright, let me connect that. Alright, I just plugged into the power, so let's turn on. Alright, I can see that there's 0, and this is a timer. So this will rotate, you can see it, right? It's rotating. Yep. C will turn on the red, and this turns on the different light here. And this is a timer, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, like that. You can go up to 95. You can go up to 95 minutes, and then it go back to 99. It's supposed to go to 0, I guess, right? Yeah. So this will stop the rotating, the B, and the C will change the color, and the D will go a little bright or dim, right? And this will rotate. All right, so right now if I don't remove this cover, I really don't see anything on the ceiling. So if I remove this cover, then it starts to glow on the ceiling or on the wall. So this is how you change the color. So it's more brightness in there. Let me take that out. See, like it's like a disco light. Now let me show you on the wall side. You can see the star, right? All right, I'm gonna turn off my light and let's see how effective it's gonna be, okay? Okay, once I turn off my lights, you can see the real effect of the globe right here. Even on the ceiling, you can see it here. Let me go wide the screen right here. You can see that, right? Yeah. So let's see if I can stop the moving, so it only blows light in there. So rotate. The color of the light will change: green, red, and blue, or just the white. Just the white. And this will turn off the white color. And this is the dark, and it will add the white color for the D button. There you go. It's really beautiful, right? It's really good for the kids, and you can really enjoy this globe. Alright guys, that's all. The Dream rotating projection lamp. It's really good for your kids. Alright, thank you for watching my video. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you if you like my video, and please like, comment, and share if you want to share. If you're new to the channel, let's subscribe to the channel and join my community. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.